So I'm going to paint this marble top table. It's the same technique as I would use if it was a laminate because it's a little bit shiny and not really absorbent. So I'm going to choose Paris Grey because it goes nicely with Aubusson. I've already had it open for a little while, so I'm going to add just a little bit of water because it's just a little tiny bit thick and it's got to flow easily and well. And now it feels nice and smooth. I'm just going to paint it all over, and this first coat is going to be quite thin. And I'm going for it. I'm not, again, doing this or doing it all in one direction. I'm going every which way, every direction, and covering all over. You can see that it's going to cover very, very easily. But I don't want one thick coat. It's much better to have two thin coats on something like this. So I'll leave that now to dry. I'll leave it for a couple of hours and then I'll give it a second coat. So I'm ready now to do a second coat. Little bits are missing, it's uneven, but that's exactly as I would have expected it to be. So I just add a little bit more water because I want it to flow really, really nicely and smoothly. So I'm now going to sort of feather it out slightly. So instead of painting quite so much like that, you see the brush mark like that, I'm going to do that, but then smooth it out and just using the top tip of the brush. If I want it very smooth, when I've done all this, what I'll then do is sand it very, very, very lightly. If you wanted to, you could use the flat brush to do very similar technique, and that would easily get you the smooth finish. I've painted this marble because the colour didn't work. It was very orange and it really didn't go in my room. So I wanted to paint it. I know there are some beautiful marbles I'd never want to paint. It's personal preference. If you want to paint it, paint it. So that's it. I've finished doing the painting. Of course, as normal, I will wax it because that's part of the whole process. But this was just about to show you how you would paint some marble.